In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Maths Model Question Paper for Midterm Examination 2021. Class 5 Maths, duration for the examination 2 hours, maximum mark 40. Let us see the answers. Choose the correct option which is equal to 100,000. 100,000. You can say ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. Here this is actually 100,000. Correct answer. Which solid has the following properties? 8 vertices, 6 faces, 12 edges. So the answer is cube. Cube has 8 vertices, 6 faces, 12 edges. Short answer. Select the correct option. What is the place value of 0 in this number? What is the place value of this 0? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. The place value of 0 is 1000. So the correct answer is 1000. The number 29,349,811 in words. 29,349,811. That is the correct answer for this option. Read the following. Question number 4. Read the following statements. A. Angles are measured in degrees. B. Area is measured in square units. Which of the above statement is correct? Here you see area normally we measure in square units only. Angles are measured in degrees only. So A and B are correct. Both statements are correct. Read the following statements. Question number 4b. Perimeter is the sum of the measure of all sides. Yes. The space inside a shape actually called area. Which of the statement is correct? The statement A and B both are correct only. So you can put the tick mark in B. Long answer. Descriptive type. Do as directed. Write the predecessor of 9,90,709. Predecessor means one number before the given number. Here 709 is there. So before 9, 8 will come. So 9,90,708 is the answer. Predecessor means, for example, the predecessor of 10 is 9. The predecessor of 100 is 99. So the same way you can do it. Write the successor. Successor means next number. So what will come after 99? So it will become 100. So you can see 11 lakhs, 82,000 and 100. Write the numeral 73,672,167. We can write in numeral. Write the smallest 5-digit number. Actually ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 10,000 it has 5-digit smallest number. Select the correct option. Understanding. Very short answer. Which one has the multiples of 6? Multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18, etc. etc. So the D is the correct answer. Find the perimeter of the given figure. You can, perimeter is nothing, add all the sides of the given figure. Here 9 centimeter, here 6 centimeter, add 9 plus 6, 15, then add 3, then add 2, add all the sides of the given figure. You will get the answer totally 34 centimeter. Add all the sides. Identify the improper fraction. Improper fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. In first case it is proper fraction, this one also proper fraction, this one also, but it is numerator is 12, denominator is 7. So numerator is greater than the denominator is actually improper fraction. Choose the correct statements. Unit fraction may be proper fraction. Unit fraction may be improper fraction. Yes, the both the statement A1 and 2 both are same only. Unit fraction may be a proper fraction and it may be a improper fraction. It is wrong. Unit fraction may be proper fraction. Unit fractions may be improper fraction. This is wrong. 1 and 2 is not correct. Neither 1 nor 2 is also wrong. Only 1 is correct. Statement 1. Unit fraction may be a proper fraction. It may not be improper fraction. So option A is correct. Others are wrong. Find the value of x. Here, what is the angle x? Here you can see A, B, C. It is actually totally 90 degree. So 90 degree minus this 50 degree you have to minus. Minus 50 degree. You will get the answer 40 degree. So angle x is 40 degree. Identify the given angle and select the correct option. Here you can find the angle is 55 degree. 55 degree you know very well, acute angle. It is less than 90 degree, it is acute angle only. So option is C. Observe the table and answer the following question. Here some information given in the table about the boat, long boat, motor boat, machine boat. Now we can see the question and the answers for this. After how many hours motor boat reaches 100 km? You see motor boat 1 hour it reaches 25 km. So to reach 100 km, how many hours it will take? 4 hours. 4 into 25 is 100. So to reach 100 km, the motorboat will take 4 hours. How many trips a lockboat has to catch 300 kilogram of fish? You see the logboat, 300 kilogram of fish, 60 kg in one trip. So to get 300 kilogram of fish, it will take 5 trips. 60 kilometer one trip, 5 into 60, 300. That is 300 divided by 60. You will get the answer. 0, 0 you cut. 30 divided by 6. The answer is 5. So 5 trips it will bring 300 kilogram of fish. Select the correct option. 1 by 9, 4 by 9, 2 by 9. The denominator, see, all the numbers are same. If denominators are same, you can put the LCM as 9. Add the numerator as it is. 1 plus 4 plus 2. So 1 plus 4 plus 2, 7. So 7 by 9 is the answer. So answer is 7 by 9. A paper windmill has rotational symmetry. Is it true? False? Partially true? Cannot be determined. It is true only. We know that the rotational symmetry, the windmill has rotational symmetry. Write 4 equivalent fraction for the fraction 3 by 5. To get the equivalent fraction for 3 by 5, you should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, multiply by 2. Here also you multiply by 2. So the equivalent fraction is 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Again you multiply by 3. Numerator multiply by 3. The same way denominator multiply by 3. You will get the another fraction. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. The same way you can multiply numerator by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. So the answers are 6 by 10, 9 by 15 and 12 by 20. Find the LCM, least common multiple of 18 and 20. We are going to find the LCM of these two numbers. You can put the number like this, 18 and 20. These two numbers are divisible by 2. So 18 divided by 2 you will get 9. 9 2s are 18. 20 divided by 2, 10. You will get 10. The same way you can divide. Again this 9 is not divisible by 2, but the 10 is divisible. So 5 2s are 10. You keep 9 as it is. Then this 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 is not divisible. You keep as it is. Now 3 and 5 is there. 3 is divisible by 3. So 1 3 is 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. You keep 5. Last step. 5 is divisible by 5. So 1 5 is 5. Now whatever number comes in the side, you have to multiply to get the LCM. Here what are the numbers? Are the 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. Multiply all the numbers, you will get LCM 180. Calculate the area and perimeter of the following figure. It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. So you know area of a rectangle. L into B, length into breadth. So length is 13 centimeter and width is or breadth is 8 centimeter. 13 8s are 104 square centimeter. Area, the unit is square centimeter. The perimeter is nothing, adding all the sides. Here 13 centimeter means the opposite side should be 13 centimeter. Here 8 centimeter, here also 8 centimeter. Add all the sides, you will get the perimeter of the rectangle. So 13 plus 8 plus 13 plus 8, totally 42 centimeter is the perimeter of the given rectangle. Problem solving. Very short answer. In one square desk, 4 people can sit. How many people can sit in 2 square desks? So 2 4s are 8 people can sit. Mano had 25 books. Her parents gave her some more books for her birthday. Now she has totally 98 books. How many books did she get from her parents? That is the question. She was having 25 books. Parents gave some books. How many books? It is not given. So to get the answer, 98 minus 25 is equal to 73. So the number of books given by her parents, 73. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is given, breadth is given. So area is equal to length into breadth, you know, 8 5s are 40 square centimeter. Akhil has some chocolates. Shona has 25 chocolate more than Akhil. If Sona has 79 chocolates, how many chocolate does Akhil have. So number of chocolate Shona has 79. So number of chocolate Akhil has 79 minus 25, 54. Manju had a chocolate which has 12 pieces. She gave 1/4, that means 1/4, to Raju. 1/3, 1/3, to Meena. 1/6, 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? Raju, Meena, Sheila and Manju. So Manju had 12 pieces. Raju gets 1/4 of 12. 1/4, 12. That means 1/4 you can multiply by 12. 1/4 is 4. 3 fours are 12. Is equal to 3. Or you can divide 12 by 4. You can divide 12 by 4. 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 3 pieces. The second question, Meena gets 1/3. So 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. 4 pieces, 4 threes are 12. Next, Sheila gets 1/6 of 12. That means 12 divided by 6. 2 pieces, 2 6 are 12. So remaining will be given to Manju. So Manju gets 12 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2, 9. So 12 minus 9, 3 pieces Manju gets. Thank you.